Hey guys, so we are over at Universal's Endless Summer Surfside Resort. There are two parts of Endless Summer, Surfside and Dockside. This is Surfside, which is only two buildings, so a smaller resort. And this is the two-bedroom suite. This is also an ADA, a handicap accessible unit, so you will see minor changes. One thing I love about this room, this is the two bedrooms. You have the two queen beds here in the main room. When you walk through the door, you have the TV. Now, this is actually electric for the curtains, which in the video I didn't get to work, but I promise it works. I was able to get it to function after I stopped recording. It just was something silly. But great views. Those windows are all the way up to the ceiling, so they are always great views. This was a pool view, and unfortunately we were here at night. This is the quote-unquote master bedroom. You can see the pool here that I was talking about, and it is a surfboard shape, which, of course, we're at Surfside. This is also a queen bed. Now, these beds were a little bit lower, which I think is because we were in a handicap. There was also a little closet there. Honestly, could hang up maybe a couple days worth of clothes. But then we've got the bathroom. Again, this is an ADA tub room. So the bathroom is going to be a bit bigger to hold those handicapped people. There is no storage under the sink, again, because this is handicapped. But one thing that's great about the two-bedroom suite is this little kitchenette here. So you do have some shelving for like snacks, microwave, mini fridge, little sink, and underneath all the bags is a little picnic table. Great at Surfside.